I never believed in space conspiracies until I started looking for a NASA video that was supposed to be there and wasn't. It was a routine search. An old lunar mission clip I remembered seeing years ago, astronauts adjusting a camera, Earth hanging silently in the background. Nothing special, just history. Except when I searched for it again, every official source led to a dead end. The video was gone. Not private, not unavailable in your region, completely erased. At first, I assumed it was a mistake. NASA has thousands of archived recordings. Maybe it was mislabeled. Maybe it was moved. But the deeper I searched, the stranger it became. Forums mentioned the same clip. People remembered it. Some even described exact moments. A sudden cut, a strange reflection in a helmet visor, a few seconds of static before the transmission ended. Yet no one could find the original file. And this wasn't the only one. Over the years, dozens of NASA videos have quietly disappeared. Live streams that cut out for technical reasons, mission recordings that exist only in fragments, audio files with missing minutes, always labeled as signal loss. But here's the part that makes people uncomfortable. These videos didn't vanish randomly. They disappeared at moments when something unexpected happened. In one lost aced stream, astronauts were discussing a routine maneuver when the audio abruptly cut. When the feed returned, the crew acted as if nothing had happened, but viewers swore they heard one of them say, "That's not supposed to be there." Another vanished video purportedly showed an object moving alongside a space shuttle, matching its speed, then suddenly changing direction in a way no known spacecraft could. NASA's explanation was corrupted data, but former engineers have quietly suggested something else. According to them, NASA doesn't delete videos because they're fake. They delete them because they're too real. Space agencies rely on public trust, and sometimes reality doesn't fit the narrative people are ready to accept. There are internal protocols for content review. Footage that raises unanswered questions can be pulled, archived, or classified indefinitely. Not destroyed, just removed from the public view. And once something disappears from the official record, it might as well never have existed. What makes this even stranger is how fast it happens. Some live streams are scrubbed within hours, mirrors get copyright strikes, re-uploads vanish, comments discussing specific timestamps are quietly removed, almost as if someone is watching and cleaning up. NASA insists transparency is their priority, and in many ways it is. But transparency has limits, especially when the unknown shows up on camera. Because once you admit there are things in space we don't fully understand, objects, signals, phenomena, you also admit that humanity isn't as prepared as it thinks. So, the videos disappear. Not because they're fake, but because they ask questions no one can answer. And the most unsettling thought isn't that NASA is hiding something. It's that they might be protecting us from seeing it. Because if even a fraction of those missing videos showed something real, then space isn't empty. And we were never alone out there.